Hello students, welcome to Uptree Technologies, Steps Towards a Digital Environment. In previous session, we made one program, Conversation with Friend. In this session, we'll make how we can sense our sprite. So let's start our programming. First, we need one event. We will take this event when flag clicked. Next, we'll go to this sensing block. We will start with this first command, touching mouse pointer. We'll select this touching mouse pointer, and to use this touching mouse pointer command, we need one condition. For that, we'll go to controls block and take this condition. Wait until. We'll paste this command in this empty area. Now, on touching mouse pointer, we want to show some effect so that we can understand that this condition is working properly. For that, we'll go to this motion block and take this command, move 10 steps. We will edit this 10 to 30 steps. Now, I am gonna click this flag and see the effect. So, on touching mouse pointer, my sprite should move 30 steps forward. Let's see. Yes, you can see here. When I touch my sprite with this mouse pointer, my sprite moves 30 steps forward. Now, let's go to this sensing block again. And next, we are using this command, touching color. We will delete this previous commands. Again, we will go to this events block. Take this command when space key pressed. Now, here again you have to take one condition because you cannot use the sensing command touching color directly. So, for that, I will go to control block and take this command. Repeat until. I will paste this sensing command here, and now I will go to motion block. I will take this move 10 steps. Here up to this much we have used a space key event. It will move 10 steps and repeat until it touches one color. So let's mark a line for the sense of this sprite. For that, we'll move to this backdrop section. Click on this backdrops. I will make it 15 so that my line will be broader. I will select this line and draw a line here. You can see a black line here. Next, I want to add some text here. This is my finish line. This is my start. Move to code section. Click on sprite. Now next you have to choose color. So click on here. You can simply choose a color from here, whatever color you want, or you can pick your color also. So I am picking my color. I will simply click here and I will pick this color. It's done. Now when my sprite touch this color, so there should be some effect, and that effect is it will back to its start position, which is go to x minus 45 and y 21. So x minus 45 and y 21 is the current location of my sprite. Here you need help of one operator. So I will click on this operators block and select this command, not. I will put this sensing command in this not operator and put it here. Now let's start running. I will click space key and it's moving towards this finish line. You can see it's moving, and on touching this color it back to its start position. So in this command, sprite senses color. Again, move to the sensing option and I'm gonna use this command. Color this is touching color that. Now we will choose one another sprite. Go to animal section and I want to choose one animal sprite. Let's take this penguin. I'm gonna copy this whole command in my penguin sprite. And I'm gonna delete this cat sprite. I want to change this sensing command with this command. Now choose your color, this color, and now the finish line color. Let's start doing. You can see that on touching this color to this finish line color, it comes back to its start position. So here you have learned how your sprite senses. One sense is mouse pointer, one sense is touching one specific color, and one sense is touching your sprite color with the specific color. In next session, we will make one game. Thanks for watching this video.